Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the August Glamigo box. The pricing is same as last month, so let's see what we have got inside. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. The packaging had changed last month and they have changed it again this month. The size of the box is same, but it's in a pink, purple, maroon color mixed patch kind of printed box. Let's open and see what we have inside. We'll go through the leaflets along with the products. At first, there is a discount voucher of 499 rupees off on 1499 of total purchase from Nature's Co. So I guess there is a product from Nature's Co inside this Glamigo box, and Nature's Co is definitely a very good brand. And all the products are well wrapped as always. Okay, the first product is from Neemly Naturals and this is the activated charcoal face mask. This is a 75 gram product worth 550 rupees, and in the ingredients it has activated charcoal, fuller's earth, kaolin clay, French pink clay. And here they have mentioned the directions for use and how it works for your skin. Well, this is a 100% natural and chemical free brand, and activated charcoal is really good in deep pore cleansing. I have really liked the Fuchsia Detox face mask with activated charcoal. It does pull out all the dirt from inside pores and makes skin really clean and clear. So I'm quite happy to receive this product. Here they have mentioned some details about the ingredients. Here it says charcoal and bentonite clay carries a strong negative charge which bonds to the positive charge in many toxins and pulls out all the dirt. So that is the science behind the activated charcoal and its magic on skin. Then we have the Nature's Co Vanilla Vitamin E Face Cream, which is for all skin types. This is a 25 ml product and the cost of this product is 550, which is a little expensive, but then Nature's Co products are really good. I have used the white tea night cream from them and I absolutely love that. This is how the consistency of the cream is. It blends in quite well. This did not have a very thick consistency. It did blend on very well and it has such a divine vanilla smell. The fragrance is really refreshing and really nice. If you love vanilla ice creams or vanilla flavored things, then you would definitely fall in love with this face cream. And it does have a semi-matte finish. It is not too oily, which I do like for daytime moisturizers. I'm really looking forward to using this. Vitamin is really good for skin. I love the Vitamin E series from the Body Shop. And the Nature's Co is also a very premium, organic and natural brand. So I do have high hopes from this product. Let's see what they say about the ingredient here. Here they have mentioned the benefits of vanilla, that it is the best ingredient for youthful skin and B vitamins in it maintain the skin healthier. Then next we have this BioBloom shampoo or hair cleanser which has Brahmi, hibiscus and amla in it, and this is a 100 ml bottle, so I guess a full size bottle. But actually here it says that it is a promotional sample and not to be sold separately. That means it is a deluxe sized sample, but 100 ml is a good enough size. Here it says it is free from parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates and petrochemicals. So this is good for your hair apart from just cleaning it. I know that hibiscus makes your hair stronger and is really good for prematurely graying hair. Let's see what they say here. Yeah, they have mentioned that hibiscus is a miracle ingredient for hair which makes hair roots and strands stronger and conditions it to the best. In monsoons, we do suffer from a lot of hair fall, so switching to a natural shampoo is definitely suggested for all. I feel this is a very good choice of product for the August edition, and I'm really happy to receive this shampoo. And then we have a makeup product from Inveda. This is their famous BB cream. This is again a fully natural organic product, even though it falls in makeup category. I think many of you would have already used it and it is a people's favorite. Personally, Inveda is one of my favorite brands too. I have repurchased their products from Nykaa so many times. This is a paraben-free product for all skin types. It has matte color. It is 8-in-1 cream with SPF 20. It is a 15 ml sample and the cost of this is 150 rupees. This is how the tube looks like. It is very travel friendly as well. It is very small and cute, and I always like the Inveda packaging. Even though I am not a fan of BB or CC creams in general, I am going to use it myself because it's paraben free, it gives a matte finish and has SPF 20. Let me apply it and show you guys. It is packed. So as you can see, it has a very slight tint to it. It is almost like a white color cream, but a little pinkish in color. And this is how nicely it has blended in just a couple of strokes. I'm quite happy with this product. Here in the information about the ingredients, it says Magnolia is the best anti-inflammatory for skin. So I guess this is a good product for monsoons actually. So here is the info card where they have mentioned all the prices. These are all the products in the August Climago box, and this time all the products are from really good brands. All are completely organic and natural and paraben free products. The total worth of the contents is rupees 1650. So paying 399 or 299 for this box is definitely a big money saver. This time they have sent products which mostly everybody uses. Moisturizer, shampoo, BB cream and face packs are a part of our hair care and skincare routine, even if someone isn't much of a beauty enthusiast. So this box is suitable for everybody. Definitely recommended from me. I leave the link to buy it in the description box for those of you interested in getting this box. If you like this video, please show some love in the comment section below and don't forget to hit the like button. And also participate in the giveaways running on my channel. I have curated hampers worth rupees 1000 each to be won. And I am having a Zobag mini giveaway. So I leave the links to them in the description box for you guys to check it out. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.